such a boring day. I feel so bored. Idea. How about playing a game then? Fine. But which game shall I play? I got an idea. Fine. So I need some time to arrange all these items. So guys, wait here. I'm going to arrange all these items. Okay? First, let me get this aquarium with fishes. Then, I need a chart of a numbers. So let me place here. Then I need these badges in which all the numbers are written in the form of words. You can see, right? See, many different numbers I'm having. Now, what I'll do, I'm going to throw all these badges inside the aquarium. So after throwing, the game is that I need to pick the random badges from inside the aquarium using my hand, and based on the words which is written in the badges, I'm going to place that badges on the number chart. Is that fine? Then why wasting the time? So let's begin the game then. Yeah. So now let's see which word will I get first. First I'm going to place my hand. It's too cold. Fine. Ouch. It's tickling. I'm going to take my hand off. These fishes are tickling me. Fine. Once again I'm going to try, okay? So let me try. Okay. I'm going to pick the badge. So let's see what I'll get. Finally I got the badge. So let's see what the number is on this. So I'm having 48. Oh, I got 48 then. So what we need to do? Now I'm going to place this badge on the chart at number 48. So let me place this. Then let us continue with the game then. So let me place my hand once again. So let's see what I'll get. I got 52. Okay then. So you can see, right? 52 I got. So I'm going to place this badge near the number 52 on this number chart. Then once again shall I play? Fine. So let's see what I'll get. I got 65. Okay, I got 65. Then again I'm going to place this on the number chart. And then once again shall I play? Okay, fine. I'm getting. Oh, okay. I got 77. So fine. So let me place on the number chart. And finally one more last time I'm going to play. So let's see what I'll get. Lucky number, I guess. Fine. Okay, I'm going to pick it. It is? How much? 89 I got. Okay, finally let me keep it on the number chart. Enough, right? Yeah. It was quite fun, and the fishes were more crazier. I was scared also. It was tickling and it was biting me. Fine then. Fine then, guys. So let's play a few more games in the next time. In the next class. Fine? Bye.